Hi, this is how to change the audio during the track. So you want various parts of the track that you want to like lower or higher the audio level. So this is an example first what's pre-done.
Now I'm gonna change the flavour. I'll change the red ones. I'm gonna put all the red ones in the bowl.
So as you can see, the music lowers when talking happens, when the girl's talking, and then afterwards it raises up again. Now to do this, I will start from scratch first. So what I want to do is I want to drag my audio track on below. So I've got this audio track playing now, which is at full volume all the way through. Obviously you can change the volume of the whole track here so it plays quieter, or you can go onto the top and change the gain to lower like that. But that does it for the whole track. Now to do it for individual parts of the track, what you do is you highlight the track and you press the V key, and you'll see this blue line appear, which is the volume line. Now you can right mouse on it and you can do all these functions here, but what I want to do when the girl's talking, I want to lower the volume. So what I do is double click and it adds a key point, and then you click the end key point here, and then you can left mouse on it and drag it down, and then it tells you at the side the decibels. So in this case I'm going to do it about 7.2, so it's slightly less. So it's a gradual fade down. You can move these around as well. You can also move them up as well, and you can add as many of these as you want. So you can double click on the line again and you can do like a more sudden drop, then maybe up a little bit, and then when you get to the end I want to do a volume up, so I'm going to move this across a little bit actually. I'll move it up and I want it set at 0 dB. You can either right mouse set to 0 dB here, or move it to by using the mouse pointer. So now I'm going to play it back.
Now I'm gonna change the flavour. I'll change the red ones. I'm gonna put all the red ones.
Now I still think it's a little bit too loud, so I'm going to change the whole track down.
Now I'm gonna change the flavour. I'll change the red ones. I'm gonna put all the red ones in the bowl.
And that's how you change the volume on an audio track. If you like more videos like this, then please subscribe. Thank you.